guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. And in today's video, holy cow, we are talking thrifting and thrifting tips.
I just paid $3.28 for all of these clothes.
If you love thrifting as much as me, you've probably been into Goodwill before. But these are some insider tips you probably don't know that's gonna help you save big. I just learned about these and holy cow, they are life-changing. Goodwill can be a great place to shop for home decor and great deals on clothes, but if you're a super bargain shopper, like even paying $3 for a shirt seems like a lot to you, I know my frugal sisters are out there, you need to check for a Goodwill outlet.
We just pulled into the giant Goodwill.
And a Goodwill outlet is basically a place where all of the clothes go that have not been purchased that ordinarily would end up in a landfill. The Goodwill near us is called Second Edition. So you go in and you fill up your cart.
You grab one of these carts and you pay $1.39 per pound of clothing that you purchase.
If you like peace and calm when you shop, this is not the place. But if you like to find insane bargains, you are totally going to love it. They bring out these giant carts. Nothing is on hangers. Everything is thrown into a bin with a yellow cone on top. And once they remove the yellow cone, then the frenzy starts and you can start shopping. Of course, there is so much junk, but you can find name brand scores. When you go to do this, I highly suggest going in the later afternoon, and I suggest waiting for 3 rounds of carts to come out. They are constantly changing over the clothes bins, and you're going to find the best scores when the new bins arrive.
So this is what I ended up leaving with. I've got 2 Calvin Klein shorts for Carson and really cute all name brand, nearly brand new tops.
This is a really adorable Gap tank top I grabbed from the bin. I also got this. It's insane because you think by the pound, I mean, this is literally like a 20-cent shirt. To save a dime, you gotta put in the time. So you're gonna spend more time doing this, but the savings, I don't know if you're like me, but I totally get a rush from that. I think one of the most amazing things is that 90 cents of every dollar you spend goes directly back into the community for employment and job education. So I feel like you're doing something good and getting a great deal.
A simple gray cardigan has been on my list for literal ever, so I was super glad to find this one.
Here's something else you may not know about Goodwill. They've started opening up boutique stores called the GW, and they're actually supposed to look like fancy retail stores, but everything is secondhand, and still 90 cents of every dollar goes right back to the community.
It's just like a boutique. I am so excited to see what they have.
The reason that I went this week is there was a brand new one that opened up, and it was my first time in one, and I could not believe how awesome it was. Now, all of this stuff has been filtered and curated, so you may pay a couple of extra dollars for each piece. They had a giant wall of shoes, some priced as low as $3.99, and they had tons of name brands all throughout the store.
They've got this whole rack of workout gear, which is pretty cool, and I totally need some new shorts.
At the Goodwill outlets, you are grabbing and getting stuff for 25 cents. At this store, you get to go into the fitting room and try things on and see what works.
I don't know. Charlie, take me on a date night.
Something else you may not know is lots of Goodwills have rewards programs. For every $100 you spend at our local Goodwills, I'm gonna get $5 off my next purchase.
They've got a bunch of these runner rugs here for just $14. And then they also have a bunch of jeans up here for $4.99. Look how fun this pillow is. It's just $10. Look how gorgeous this vintage laundry hamper is. I love this. This is just $7.99. This would be gorgeous on a countertop. And then these birch bark planters are so pretty, and they're just $3. I am a Lions fan, sadly, but this is only $3.99, brand new with tags, team apparel. They have this little bistro here, so you can sit and eat, and they have a bunch of cool snacks and stuff. This is such a good idea to bring people in the door. I love this.
I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to leave it a big thumbs up. If you like getting organized, thrifting, doing everything on a budget, you become a part of the Do It on a Dime family so I can catch you in the next video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.
I just found my ugly Christmas sweater party shirt for this year. Yes,
this is a thing. I had to park the car right there. Okay. I'm texting Meg from Love Meg because she initially wanted to go shopping with me when she was in Charlotte and I was out of town, so we couldn't go. I think it is so crucial to find a thrifting buddy. I did not used to have any friends who liked thrifting. Like, I couldn't find a single person who would ever go with me. And now I feel like I actually have friends that like it, like in my community, and then like other YouTubers who are as into this as me. She said it was a workout having to dig through those clothes. Yes, it totally was. I really like this dress and it is so comfortable. Who would get rid of this? This is like such nice fabric. I feel like this was a really lucky find. Please ignore the mess in the background.